Hello everyone, here we'll see how to download and install Sublime Text 3. So first open your Google browser and then search Sublime Text 3. Click on Sublime Text 3. Then click on Download Sublime Text. Now you can see there are four options: OS X, Windows, Windows 64-bit and Linux repos. So as per your operating system, select accordingly. If you're Windows 64-bit, click on Windows 64-bit. Now your file will be downloaded. After downloading, click on it. Click on the downloaded file. Now you'll get a window. Click on Next option. Click on Next option and then click on Install. Your file will be installed. Now click on Finish. So now your file is installed. To get Sublime Text, go to Windows, search Sublime Text 3. So now this text window will be opened. So this is how you can install your Sublime Text 3. Hope you have understood. Thank you.